How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, you want to go ahead and log in your account on the PayPal website or application, and from here you can just navigate through the send and request category. Now, from here, you will then go ahead and see the receive button for crypto assets. Unfortunately, that feature of PayPal isn't released yet on all countries. It is going to be compatible for some countries, so just go ahead and check out whether you have a compatible country or not. Now, right after clicking on the receive crypto button, you will then go ahead and see the address where we are going to use to receive our crypto from, which is going to be from the Phantom Wallet. So in here, just go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet, click on the send button, choose the crypto that you want to send to your PayPal. In our case, it's going to be Bitcoin, but you could go ahead and send something like USDT, which is the USDT equivalent of US dollar. So you can just go ahead and choose your crypto assets, paste the address from the PayPal right here, enter the amount, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.